Hey traders, welcome back. It's Shane from GMT Futures and FX. We're just going to do a quick review of soya beans. Now, this is one of the markets we've been tracking and in one of the portfolios that we're managing at the moment. We've got this recorded as the Trend Trader 88. So the Trend Trader is obviously the system we're using, and 88 identifies what system number it is. It's bean shorts. Now, we'll have a look at how this has been performing because typically soya beans is one of those markets, obviously, that appeals to a lot of new traders, particularly in the futures market. And we're going to have a look at how this particular strategy has been performing over the last couple of months. So you can see there that if we have a look at our performance graph, we're hitting new equity highs, a great run into the end of the year, which was fantastic, and that's what we wanted to see. Now, this is soybean shorts. So we're only trading the short side on soybeans for this particular strategy. If we have a look at the seasonal charts, soybean futures for the last 30 years, you'll see that at least from October to December we've got that rally in soybeans. We do, however, see towards the end of December into January a bit of a sell-off. So let's just see how that plays off. So for us, though, it's not tying in nicely with our current strategy because we're shorts only, and this is showing a long bias. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll have a look at our soybean longs as well. On the long side, if we have a look at our longs, you can see that they had that nice push up, and in October we started to hit our equity high, but then we've dropped away a little bit. So it's a little bit unusual that we would see a drop off in our seasonals for the longs, particularly because we're coming into that seasonal push for soybeans. But that's why we're trading both sides of the market. And even though the seasonals say that we should be long, you're really trading based on what's happening in the market now, because that's historical data. We're not always going to get exactly what we expect to get from the market. We have to just see what obviously unfolds, because while it's historical, it doesn't mean that that's necessarily going to happen every year in, year out. So that's why we trade the systems as they come, and we use our circuit breaker. So we've got our drawdown circuit breaker, and that applies obviously for each of the markets and the systems that we trade. So that's a little bit of a recap of soybeans. You can see there that if we have a look at our trade list, our periodic there, just our monthly, you can see that it's been very solid. February wasn't a great month, but December finished up pretty well, 750. So we're running a really good performance here over that 12-month period, and we have a look at our shorts here, TT88, and you'll see that that's been very consistent. So our shorts for soybeans has been very solid throughout the year, and that's pleasing to see. So looking forward to a big 2018, obviously, for this particular strategy. Alright traders, just going to wrap up our review of T88. I'll be taking you through some more of the systems that we've been tracking in 2017, so you can at least have a look at what we're starting with this year. Obviously we're looking to get underway within the next week or so as far as turning our future systems back on, and I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.